it's Kayjay from Metro Hobbies, and it is a brand new year, and that means a brand new lot of Lego, and the excitement's back. Because we're going to start the new year with a Chinese New Year sets. These are great Lunar New Year traditions. You actually have 6 instructions, 6 different bags, so a family of 6 can easily build every one of these little components. I think that's really cool. They can stack up. There are all these little scenes in there. It's a really nice little fresh idea for Lego. They're really including the family in that build, which is what that tradition is all about. Now, it's the year of the tiger, and that's the water tiger to be precise, and they've put out this gorgeous New Year set with, I just adore this little tiger character. If anything else, you have to get it for that. But in terms of the little Easter eggs in here, I don't know if any of you knew about Ice Planet 2000, but I certainly did. I loved it. And there, on that jacket, there's a hark back to the Ice Planet 2002. So if any of you guys had those space sets, you'll recognize that little jacket. It's a little bit of Easter egg there. Beautiful, beautiful sets they do, these Chinese New Year sets. I've already grabbed one of these. I'm in the process of building it. I'm adoring it. Now, with the new year, they've actually decided to give us not just 2 Chinese New Year sets, they're also given us a tiger. This is in the Creator 3-in-1 kind of look. So the Creator 3-in-1 is generally something that your younger one would build beside you as you build your Collector Creative Expert. This is a great tiger, and it has a little bit of anatomical correctness. You'll have to see for yourself. It's not completely anatomically correct, but it's a quite cool little details in here. The way they've got the stripes, they've done some sideways builds. It's a beautiful set to go alongside the Chinese New Year sets, because hey, it's the year of the tiger, so let's make this a year to roar about. Speaking of animals and roaring, the Lego City stuff has just come out, and I know a lot of you out there like to build up your cities. Obviously a lot of kids, a lot of adults also have their cities, and they want to build up all the little details. Well, the Lego City range this year has come out with some great new molds. Last year saw the elephants and the monkeys. This year we have a kitten, because kittens need rescuing as well. We also have cool new molds for helmets and bikes and all these beautiful different colors. There's a cool little ice cream truck escape. You've got your crooks that are dressed up as ice cream sellers, which is I like as a nice little detail. So you come in, see inside the range, we've got a huge city range that's just come in. And we've also got some Lego Friends sets. So Lego Friends love their pink. They've always loved their pink, but they've come up with some new palettes, and I want to highlight that. They've gone up with including some orange and some yellows and some blues, because we don't just need to stick to pink and purple. We can have the full color palette, and it's here. Really cool, amazing treehouse. We've also got a boat. Looking at the colors on that as well, really, really cool. So even if you're just looking for parts, some great color combinations in these sets. Now, something really, really cool. Batman! We're getting gone are the days of the very flamboyant 1966 Batman. We're getting a very, very serious Batman movie coming out this March, and we've got the goods to go with it. We've got the Batman Lego set. So we've got a new iconic Batman mobile with the penguin chase here. We've got a very serious Selina Kyle. Everyone knows who Selina Kyle is, don't they? But check out that serious outfit she's wearing. And now we've got a really cool Batman cave with all the serious tech going on, and there obviously is some kind of thing going down in there, because we've even got the Riddler, the Penguin, and Selina Kyle, all the actions happening. And the king of the castle is a Lego Technic Batmobile. So this is very much in the vein of the Dodge Charger in terms of scale, but this thing has got flames. It's got a light brick at the front, it's got a light brick at the back, so you can really highlight the fire and the speed as this thing speeds down the streets of Gotham City and sweeps away the criminals as Batman dives. All right, this is very exciting, but I'm definitely a big Star Wars fan, and so before, or as the shroud of the dark side of the Force fell down onto the rebels, they had the Grand Republic Army born in the Attack of the Clones, and the first time that we ever saw them was when we saw a low altitude transporter, and that was the first ship that we saw, was the Republic gunship. Republic gunship was a fan voted in set. This is an ultimate collector series, so that means that this is a must. It comes with a Mace Windu figure, as well as a general commander here. Now, back in Attack of the Clones, before the Clone Wars cartoons came out, commanders, watch the film, didn't have any names. The commanders were your generic guys. No one had been introduced to them. The party was over, and the Shroud of the Dark Side had fallen, and the Republic needed their army. And here these guys swept in to rescue the Jedi at the very moment that they needed it the most. So this 292 pieces of heft. It looks amazing. Look at those gun turrets. They're actually movable. You can actually fill up this with all the figures that you want. It has the classic plaque to go with it, and another mace window. So I'm really, really, really excited about that. This is definitely a must-have. It's been a long time coming. That's why that was definitely fan voted in. So come on and check that out if you haven't already. Oh, look, I couldn't forget the original trilogy, could I? Because on Planet Hoth, the AT-ST was coming in and bearing down on the Rebel base. And here we have a classic AT-ST to go with your AT-AT. This is a great little army to have. And without further ado, may the Force be with you. Come to Metro Hobbies. Visit us online. Visit us in all the stores. We've got the goods. Until next time, bye.